So this is day 3 in the new studio apartment where Jessica and Mika live now. You see I'm still unpacking, but over here is the living area. I still haven't put Mika's bed yet, but the mattress and my bed. Mika. And the kitchen. In the back. Hello. And the closet. Oh, do I need to put the camera back now? Are we done? I think we're done. It's a pretty short tour. Mika, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? And they're like, what are you talking about?